That depends on what you mean by perpetual motion machine. Usually when people say perpetual motion machine, they mean a machine that powers itself, basically providing infinite energy, which is something you just can't do. But if you just want something that never stops moving, we already have that. Look at the ground. The Earth is a planet that never stops moving through space. The Earth is a planet that keeps rotating. If you had a perfect vacuum with no friction and no gravity, you could throw a baseball in space and it would just keep going. So it would be perpetually in motion. But it wouldn't be a perpetual motion machine, a machine that provides infinite energy. Because if you want it to provide energy, you need to hook it up to something that gets its energy. So let's say that infinite moving baseball is supposed to power a machine, and to do that, it basically just has to hit a target. It hits the target and bounces off, and now it's moving slower. That's because it's imparted some of its energy to the target. That's why we can't make perpetual motion machines, because we can't make energy, we could just move it around. We are moving the energy from the moving ball into the target and whatever it powers. So you could get something spinning at an incredibly high velocity in space, and it will do that basically endlessly if there's no friction and no gravity. It will spin to the end of time. But as soon as you hook up a generator to it, that generator is taking some of the energy from its spin. And so eventually that spinning thing will slow down because the generator will have absorbed all of its energy and presumably converted it into other energy like electrical energy or heat. So you just can't have infinite spin unless your name is Johnny Joestar.